In an AP, the pth term is Q and the qth term is P. Then its nth term is, now don't get confused, pth is Q, the term in place of P is Q and in the place of Q is P, we have to find the n. So quite simple. So Tn equals to what? A plus n minus 1 into D, right? Now Tp equals to what? Pth term. Tp equals to A plus P minus 1 into D. But what is pth term? Q. So Q equals to A plus P minus 1 into D. Similarly, the other one. P equals to A plus Q minus 1 into D. We get equation number 1 and 2. Subtract this, you will get Q minus P equals to D into P minus 1 minus Q plus 1, right? This D gets common and solve this. So Q minus P equals to D into P minus Q. Solve this. D equals to Q minus P upon P minus Q, that is minus of P minus Q upon P minus Q minus 1. Okay. So D equals to minus 1. You got D now. Okay. Next. So D is minus 1. Why are we finding D and here? We have D and A and all these things because we want nth term. Our final target is A and D. This is what we have to find out. So D we have found out. Now we'll be going for A. So see this. Equation 1 is what? Q equals to A into P minus 1 into minus 1 because D is minus 1 now. Therefore Q into A minus P minus 1, that is therefore A equals to, take everything on the other side, Q plus P minus 1. Now you got A and D. So nth term is easy now. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is Q plus 1, Q plus P minus 1 plus n minus 1 into minus 1. Solve this now. You will get Q plus P minus